Hello friends, welcome back to Jason's Design Shop, where today I'm going to show you how to make a cool post wrap around these ugly posts in front of my house. First, you want to cut them all to length, your boards that you're going to get. Then you want to cut out a U-shape one, measure it first with your jigsaw and measure it right there like that, and then go cut it, and then you can get it to fit over and around that beam coming across. But I made a mistake. I didn't get it wide enough. I didn't cut on the line with the jigsaw. So you can also use a chisel. Boom, now it fits. Don't let it sit on the ground. It can wick up water and ruin the bottom of your post. Check with the boss, put some bracing in, and you can put the last pieces together. Boom, start brad nailing the whole thing together, and you got a cool new post wrap. Hey guys, if you like this video, I would totally be stoked if you would hit that subscribe button and that like button. And if you really love it, click the notification bell. See you in the next video, friends. Bye.